Most men go to bed with the weight of the day still pressing on their chests. They carry their anxieties into their dreams and wake up exhausted by battles they've already lost. They are haunted by the ghosts of conversations they didn't have and mistakes they haven't faced. But the Stoic does not sleep with ghosts. Every night he drags his day before a private tribunal. He sits as the judge, the witness, and the accused. Welcome back to the Stoic Forge. Today, we complete the circle. We are building your evening audit. Seneca, one of the wealthiest and most powerful men in Rome, ended every day in total silence. He wrote, "The light has been removed from my sight. I examine my entire day and go back over what I have done and said, hiding nothing from myself." He understood that an unexamined life is a life on autopilot. If you do not review your mistakes, you are condemned to repeat them tomorrow. The evening audit isn't about guilt, it's about data. It is the cold, honest assessment of the iron before it goes back into the coals. The first pillar is the great silence. In 2026, our evenings are stolen by the blue light of distraction. We scroll until our eyes burn, dulling our minds so we don't have to hear our own thoughts. The audit begins when the devices die. 30 minutes before sleep, the digital world is exiled. You need the silence to hear the truth. You cannot judge your soul while the world is screaming in your ear. This is the cooling period. Just as hot iron must be quenched, your mind must be stilled. The second pillar is the examination. Grab a journal, not a screen, a physical book. There is a primal connection between the hand and the mind that pixels cannot replicate. Ask yourself 3 questions and be brutal with the answers. What did I do well today? Acknowledge your wins, no matter how small. Did you keep the morning lockdown? Did you hold your temper? Where did I fall short? Where were you reactive? Where did you let ego take the lead? What will I do better tomorrow? This is your blueprint for the next forge. Do not apologize to yourself. Do not make excuses. Simply record the facts. You are the architect looking at a flawed blueprint, preparing to draw a better one. The final pillar is the final surrender. The Stoics practiced memento mori, the remembrance of death. As you lie in bed, realize that this day is gone forever. It belongs to the past. Marcus Aurelius told himself, "Wipe away every annoying or unfitting impression, and you will be at peace at once." You have audited the day. You have learned the lessons. Now you must let it go. You go to sleep, not as a victim of the day's chaos, but as a soldier who has finished his watch. You died to the day so you can be reborn in the morning. If the morning lockdown is how you prepare for war, the evening audit is how you win the peace. One cannot exist without the other. I challenge you to match your morning lockdown with 7 nights of the evening audit. 7 nights of silence, 7 nights of the 3 questions, 7 nights of total honesty. If you have completed the morning and are ready to master the night, type, "The circle is closed," in the comments. Let the Forge know you are doing the full work. Stay disciplined, stay sovereign. Welcome to the Forge. Forging wisdom, mastering life.